Hey everybody, let's make it real. And what we're going to do is we are going to see how to find government agencies on the illinois.gov website. So you go to illinois.gov and you go to the box right in the center here. And it says I want to, and you could find any state agencies or anything like that. So you type in whatever. No, I don't want to do that. So what you want to do is perhaps go to just type in agriculture, because that's always a safe one, because you'll always find the Illinois Department of Agriculture, and you'll find agriculture in any state that you search. And so it says everything services agencies. You click agencies, and then it gives you the Department of Agriculture, and you click on that. And it tells you a little bit about what the Department of Agriculture does, and all of the items that the Department of Agriculture oversees. And then you can click on the website itself, and it explains a little bit more, gives you an about, shows you all the boards and commissions, and so on and so forth, all of their policies, all of their services. And that's what any good website should provide to you in explaining how a particular agency works. It is supposed to be responsive to the public's needs. There's also another one, and this is like really cool. So you can report red tape, and you can find out where you can report all of the overburdensome government actions exist in Illinois. And then it tells you, so you want to find out, you're going to tell the government where all the red tape is. And you're going to tell them where all the waste is. And you're going to find out where all the waste is. And you go to launch website, and nothing works. So it kind of tells you about how government efficiency works in our own state. So you see here that you don't really have any responsiveness whatsoever. So you can go from the Department of Agriculture that shows you a lot to going to a website that doesn't exist when it comes to figuring out where the waste is in government. But any state should have kind of a delineation of what every agency is supposed to be about and what services are provided. And like I said, you can do that in any state website. It's always good to just pick one that you can find that's pretty simple to follow. Like I said, in every state there is a Department of Agriculture, and that's a good one to look at.